once again, continuation. This is for all my brothers and sisters Filipino. This is for you, yeah. Again, akong ibalik og summarize no nga naman natin explain akong the human anatomy. Napakita na ko ninyo in which nga mga to yung paborito ng mga artista. I don't know, no, kaya I've been watching all the news, no, international news in BBC World, in which I can talk to all my patients, especially for the businessman, yeah, in which mixture lagi no, and then to have a knowledge also. And also I'm watching BBC World, CNN, Al Jazeera, and Central China TV, ana taka-care, no, in which nga kabaw kita sa kuan within unsa nahitabo sa whole world, no. Again nga mukha lagi ta bago lagi ning Arwin Argumenter na care this environment, no, nga bago lang atong our president Noy no nga dito sa United Nations speech, no, again to all the mga head of state, yeah. Again, malagi ito atong ikuan is about the climate change, no? Again, the climate change in which ni change mangayong climate, wa gina mo change yung idea sa imuhang exercises, no? By which lagi sa inyo hibawan nga mga exercises nangamatay mo, nangasakit man mo, and which no nga they never research, they never it's like aftercare, no? After sales ana, no? In which mga kuha lagi nga I've been working in the hospital na to sila kung mga kontra na ni sila, no? Kini here, no? Again, mga kontra gini nako in which nanali siya sa hospital, no? When I'm working at the hospital, nang ginasa, oh. Ay, hindi magdimin pa daw sa kontra na ko about niya. Ako lang i-educate, I'm really sorry, or the whole owner with this one, yeah? Again, I'm holding the owner with this one. Mine lang is about, I'm just pure care, no? Again, pues ito nga nikwa na lagi na siya because another one is about naani siya, mag-touch imong hip joint, knee joint, and ankle joint, no? With this one also, kato galing akong kini, galing akong tubo, galing nga 3/4 ni in which mudagan pa manggalinig si karan kay maximum tension. Here's the adjustment niya anaon na ko kay para differentiate sa patient, no, o sa mga tao, no. Hindi much better pa siguro mapakamasakit nga mag Arwin Argumenter ka na kasi nasakit ka na, no. Again ug nasakit ka na di masani contraindicated sa imong tambal, by which nung exercises man nga pwede lagi sa arm, pwede sa foot, no, again ug nara ka sa bed, no, napaka sa bed, so pwede man ka sa arm yung gamiton, in which the heart, no, that's upper extremity, is the heart, no, who moves the shoulder, the elbow and the wrist, no, muna sa heart mo po na balikan mo ta 2 minutes lang sa siguro mo nang ato ang oxygen 2 minutes lang sa, in which by 3 days after na nakaabot naman iyang blood, nakaabot naman sa iyang tanan, nakasurround naman, nabalik ulian again here, no, the Texas Heart Institute there, no, British Heart Foundation. What is a stress test? American Heart Association, by which the Texas Heart Association ako nang ipa-enlarge, no, kay para gid masabtan to you, my brothers and sisters Filipino. Okay, here save the date, no, save the date for the 2-month most popular fall programs, no. Texas Update in Cardiovascular Advancements, December 12, 2014, and Women's Heart Vascular Health, no. I'm just promoting this one, no, December 13, 2014. Register online, no, WWD CME Texas Heart Organization, in which, no, kung nakatawag mga cardiologist, ako di ko cardiologist, but ako di care lang ko, no. Ano yun here, no, again during the test you will be asked, no, again ako ikuan ninyo lang, no, a treadmill, no, walay basketball, walay golf, walay volleyball, walay marathon diha, okay, stationary bike, no, treadmill here, treadmill and stationary bike here, mura nang duha, walay lain nga pag-test sa imong heart nga kuan, ha, kana exercises, ha, ayaw gi pag-educate ka, again be open minded, ya, again once again during the test you will be asked to walk on the treadmill here, the treadmill, and to ride stationary bike, by which walay basketball, walay golf, walay yoga, wala ta, no, by 2 to 3 minutes your doctor or technician will increase the speed and slope of the treadmill or stationary bike, which will make you feel like you are walking or pedaling uphill. Again here, no, again it's up to you, yes. Grabe na gini akong sobrang care Filipino, no. Your doctor and technician will look into changes of the electrocardiogram patterns here and blood pressure. Again mo auto na nakita blood pressure akong patient, no, inikuan ako para to sa mga poblo nga Pilipino, especially for my brothers and sisters Filipino, no, that your heart is not getting enough oxygen, mo to akong piligruhan, kung muubos imong blood pressure padung na ka mo collapse. Again, yun na ana sa Arwin Argumenter, free, that's for free, yeah. Other signs of coronary artery disease include chest pain, unusual shortness of breath, mauna ng kuyapan, no, again What's that, yeah? The Texas Heart Institute, again, American-based siya, in which, okay na po, no? American Heart Institute to, kinisa sa American Heart Association, no? Again, American Heart Association, in which there, yeah, what is exercise stress test? The same, yeah po, no? With tension and break. Again, here, again, so, maulagi na, no? Again, may itong contrast, no? Again, sa Arwin Ergometer, no? Again, much more fun here in Cebu, Philippines, okay? The showroom address at the 138F Rodriguez Street, Cebu City, 6,000, no? With email address at harsat@heartysatina@gmail.com. Telephone number with 0322534581, no? Here, the Hearty's Pure Care, yeah? No operation, no injection, no medicine, no? With Arwin Ergometer, no? Specialized for the heart muscles direct exercises, no? Tambal na dili tumaron here. Again, so here, Arwin Ergometer, tambal dili tumaron, in which study and research by the redesigning is based with the tension and break maximum and no stopping continues for 1 hour by 3 months. Na pa ka makabot sa 1 hour by 3 months, no? Again, na training program by 3 months pa ka makabot aning 1 hour, no? With water, gikan again na siya dito yung specification, no? Now, so on mo the proper exercises, no? Again, based in the London here, no? British Heart Foundation. This is American Heart Foundation. Wala ginatanan ninyo what is a stress test, in which, no, ako lang itong ipadako ko lang to kay para gid ma-substance to all my Filipino, my brothers and sisters, no? In which para gitaw nila, no? So here, no, again, this is the morning sa una, no, obesity, lahat lang, no? Mas hindi siguro sa obesity kay mo ra gid to management, no? So here again, kana ra education, then hot packs and tens, then this one, this the Arwin Ergometer. Yeah, totally naayos siya. So mao lang ito kung kuan ninyo wrong ng basketball, wrong ng volleyball. But if you do the Arwin Ergometer twice a week, when you do this one, all your sports, hanginan siguro ka, mura kag si Jordan, no? Ug sa golf, mura kag Tiger Woods. Again, kay naam kay hangin, no? Again, so mangita ka ng ebidensya, no? So here's ebidensya. So again, this is from the hospital. Kato atong gipapauli lagi nga pagla ng oxygen machine. Maunay lang record, no? So again, no, Jumel Lanutan, no? Si post Jumel Lanutan. It's a summary, no? Again, treatment and summary, no? It's weird, no? This is the doctor po nga kaduha na stroke pa. Kapag yung stroke, di kay kalakaw, kaduha na ba noon? In which nakalakaw ni siya. And then, mga uniqueness lagi kay nisanan. No? Discharge notes, no? So here, again, documented, yeah? And also, may celebrity patient, no? Mga ito, ano siya, car accident siya, no? Karoon na siya sa Arwin. Ergometer, ito yung pink, no? Yeah, ito niya. So again, thank you, no? Please, to all the Cebuano people and Filipino people, pangita ko na mo sa kilid, i-click niyo ng mga management, no? Mga treatment, in which na sa kilid, kini here, tanawa ko na nabay nakasod nga Pilipino lain, and thank you da, no? Or Asian ba, in which nga iyang management nga dili opera. Again, moragi po na sulti sa kanang nakabuhi sa kundugo, no, nga one of the OFW nga nisulti nga heart, you have to be okay, walay laing Pilipino or Asian nga nakasud ana nga naay management nga no operation, no injection, no medicine. It's Hearty Satina again, no? Again, together with the support with Mr. Noy Hobson, the Cobra Ironman champion. So here's Noy Hobson, yeah. Again, ipagawas na ako hinay-hinay by November ang katong mga terminal cancer. Karon buhi pa sila hantod karon, in which mutuo nga siguro mo. Again, grabe na siguro na o di po mutuo. Again, so here, the latest upgrade cardio, the heart. Mula gina, tanawa na po mga kontra. It's about here. Walay Filipino, walay Asian, nga nakasud, nga management. No operation, no injection, no medicine, no? Again, one of the American doctors. So here, again, heart, pasalamat tanaw ko din mo sa mga Facebook, and congratulations to your dedication, no? I'm now practicing doctor sa Amerika, and if nila na ay daghan parehas nimo, daghan unta maayo sa sakit. Again, thank you, doc, no? Again, mauwaw po siya mo kung singan, kay malagi na nga ang mauwaw mo tatatang nakatabang mo tatas mga pobre, no? And it's here mo again, ang Arwin Ergometer lagi nga gi-promoting na ron ang tourism, no? Now Arwin Ergometer done the human body, yeah? Kuha na gid is about for you my brothers and sisters Filipino. Yung sa Arwin Ergometer nga tambal 4,500 na siya, in which na makakuha ni kag casing. So here, yeah, the casing, and here the yantas, and then the pedals, no, specialized again. sorry kayo no. In which mo lagi na eyes and ears man ako in which no nga sus gikuha ko na ni sa kanang gilabay naman ni nila nga timbangan nga ako ni ipaayo nga in which ako laging pasyente no, nigtimbang nila makakita sila here, makakita sila ko how many kilograms no kay mo lagi na mo na ug mo yung ka nga 6 kilograms na here 6 kilograms mo na Armalite no, Armalite I term it Armalite kay imong brain no mo dictate ay isog kay taw lagi na pusil perting isuga no, mo lagi na og yung pabalik ko na to no, na makay pusil no, the same with your heart no, the same with your kanang naka-injury no, yun akong Armalite akusga na kay ka sumlayat na ka again mo na pag-test sa plyometrics exercises in which daghan na kay tanakunan nga ato pud ang together with the research and study no, again wala man siguro ko nalimtan no nga kuan it's about nga I'm just promoting na lang karon the tourism here. I'm just helping for the 122 countries no nga when you plan to visit no this coming na by summer so may ganyan yung visit mo plus please come here at the Philippines yeah much more fun here in Cebu City because we have our own Arwin ergometer and we have the airline carrier first one yeah again here we have the airline carrier no here. Much more fun here in Cebu City, Philippines, to all the 122 countries watching no, enjoy mo or you can visit so sa atong showroom and then if you have a problem for operation mo, you just try my treatment yeah. My address is about 138F here, Rodriguez Street, Cebu City, Philippines. You can email us it's about heartysatina@gmail.com or then telephone number is 032-253-4581. Maybe you can try my management and then I'm willing to help you outside the Philippines again for the all people outside of the Philippines, the watchers to 122 countries who watch daily. Again, if you have a problem in your body, in your health, no, in which for operation na mo diya, and then just like that, i-release na mo sa hospital, pabawanan mo oxygen machine or tank, please, I'm willing to help you and visit us again. Your US is about $1 is 43 pesos in here, so dako-dako na kaya na siya. And then mo lagi na life is a one-time gift no. So here again mo lagi nang much more fun here is we have a carrier no, the Cebu Pacific Airlines. So here the Cebu Pacific Airlines no, in which may Davao Airlines, walay Iloilo Airlines, walay Manila Airlines. Again mo na nakalindot sa Cebu no. The Mother of all festivals sa Sinulog Mardi Gras no, na may daghang mga festival no, but ours is Sinulog Festival in which the Santo Niño no, Santo Niño, and which or here also the Heart is Pure Care and operational injection of medicine with the iPhone 8 treatment management diseases documented no, documented in which nga sa patient nga video or camera no, in which nga mao na siya tan-aw nimo road to recover in which nga mukuan ka si mulabwans nga oy please try ani nya mingon man imo labwan ka try naman ko sa hospital anywhere in the hospital giingon ani ka sa hospital na kay mapakita ang ebidensya ba no nga pag-care no. Again to the health no, to the health also this Arwin ergometer pila naman to kakuan na to. So here no, again Arwin ergometer nga tambal nga dili tumaron exercises bat kapoy ayo kano. This is Arwin Gale ya, mo na akong give name no, anak ni sa akong brother nga Dr. si Anwar no. Again sus grabe 6 months 4 months pa ako aning gipalakaw with the karang ya kay mo lagi na nga specialized mo ko sa unag mga bata no nga kanang cerebral palsy o ganing Down syndrome nya karon mao na ginang kontiguang. And then the next one niya mao lagi po di food for the Filipino ni o ganahan pag sa ako pag gihulbad no, i-convert pag nako nga para gini sa inyo ha og di magay mo palit og Arwin ergometer para sa inyo again episode 3 thank you.